In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Shopify store mobile friendly. By the end, you'll know exactly how to log in, choose the right theme, and fine-tune the essentials so your store looks great and works smoothly on any phone. First, open your browser and go to shopify.com. On the homepage, look for the login button and click it. Sign in using your preferred method. Once you're in your admin, we'll head straight to where all the visual changes happen. On the left panel of the Shopify dashboard, click Online Store. This is your hub for themes, navigation, and all the visual settings that affect mobile shoppers. You'll see your current theme at the top, along with options to customize or explore more themes. Next, pick a mobile responsive theme. Shopify's free themes like Dawn or Sense are built to adapt beautifully to smaller screens. Preview the theme and switch to the mobile view to see how your header, product grid, and buttons stack and resize. Pay attention to product pages, image galleries, and the cart drawer. If anything feels cramped or slow, that's a sign you may need to adjust the settings or try a different theme. Now, let's talk images. Use clear photos that load fast. On mobile, crisp images make your products feel trustworthy, but oversized files can slow everything down. Aim for well-lit, high-quality images that are properly cropped and compressed before uploading. Shopify optimizes images, but starting with smaller files helps a lot. Stick to consistent aspect ratios so grids look tidy, and avoid stacking too many large images on a single page. Add concise alt text to improve accessibility and search discovery. Make your buttons big and easy to tap. Your primary actions, like add to cart and buy now, should be obvious and thumb-friendly with generous padding and strong color contrast. Keep enough space between buttons and links so people don't tap the wrong thing. On product pages, place the main call to action near the top so it's visible without too much scrolling. Keep your menu simple. On mobile, a short, clear menu beats a complex one every time. Limit top-level categories, use plain language, and move rarely used links to the footer. A clean header with a visible cart and a prominent search icon helps shoppers find what they need faster. Finally, test everything on your own phone. Browse your homepage, open collections, view products, add items to cart, and start checkout. Try it on both Wi-Fi and cellular data and on different devices if you can. If something feels slow or confusing, adjust and retest until the experience is smooth. That's it. Your Shopify store is now well on its way to being truly mobile friendly.